Get that music! It's the 20th attempt getting this foreign game to work because I can't get the fuck to work. I don't understand the fucking language. It's a fucking game and a half. Get that music! Look at this! Is some of the awesomest music on ZX Spectrum in the game. Work, you bastard! Played this game the other day, I was impressed. I can't get the fuck to work. You hear me next to the bass line, that's me pressing the keyboard, trying to get the fuck to work. Oh no, I've done keys. I don't want keys, cunts. I don't know if it's in Slovakian, Uzbekistani, Pakistani, Lithuanian, Polish, Russian, Albanian, Czechoslovakian, Slovakian, Slovenian. I don't know what language it's in, Serbian. What do they speak in Macedonia? I don't know where this comes from, this game. I just want to play the fucker. I don't know why I can't get it working today. This is my 6th attempt to get this game working. I don't know what's going on there. Hello? It's gone quiet. I think it's got loads now. I'm off! There's me! I'm Boris Johnson. I'll turn the volume down a bit. Conservative MP. You know, the crazy blonde hair. He's off to assault this car. I don't know why there's no enemies. Oh, here you go. Oh, them bastards throw fireballs at you. Look at that music, how fucking funky is that? You kick shit at these little bastards here, they throw fireballs at you. Come on! Come on! Dost thou want some, you fucker? I wouldn't picture Boris Johnson wearing his kind of headwear. But he's done it. And go down the well. Oh, there's a bastard with a club there. There's a skeleton. You know Boney from Trapdoor? This is him before he lost his fucking body. When he's, you know he's only got a head left. Kick him in the head. Look at that. Kick him. Playing football with a skeleton, a full life skeleton, not just a head. How awesome is that fucking music? Like I say, this is some Russian or Czechoslovakian or Slovakian or some Eastern European country. They've done this game. They love the Spectrum. They cloned the bastard. I don't know if it's a legal clone or a legal one. This skeleton ain't dying now, is it? Smack her in the face. He's gone. So go through this door. That music's fucking awesome. I always wonder why more Spectrum games didn't have, like, the demo makers. They know how to make some awesome music. Why they didn't use these fuckers to make their music? So we go through this door. Go upstairs. Come on, Boris! You wanted to be Mayor of London. I think Ken Livingstone got in control again. Fucking Ken, he can fuck off. There's the axe of mighty doom there. If you get that axe, it adds 4 to your attack strength. Turns you into a lumberjack as well. You can cut trees down at twice the ferocity as you could before. You can pick up the shield as well. There's a shield there. I got my axe. Look, I got my axe. What the? Some foreign language. Yeah, at the bottom there it said, "Fuck off, you English cunt." Oh, unfortunately, I've just lost my shield, my axe now. I've got a shield instead. I can block attacks. I can block throw attacks. You can't block bad language with this though, unfortunately. Look at the bottom there, it's saying, "You shite." Look at it saying, "Don't open that door, you bastard." Well, fuck you. Oh, I'm on the parapets here. Is this skeleton it? I can block it. Can I block your attack? Yes, I can block your attack. Now I'm gonna twat you in the face with my fucking fist instead. You fucker. No, I can't. I can't really do much now. Blocked your attack, you're fucking hopeless! Fuck off, you and your hoods. I can still kick you. I can still kick you, you fucker. Kick you in the face. This is the Karate Kid crane kick, of course. Mr. Miyagi popularised this move in the 80s. Daniel-san, of course, he was most famous for using it. To great effect, I must add. His opponent should have seen it coming. I'm getting twatted around the head with an axe, which is not cricket, really, is it? I don't know what this game's called, I can't remember. I'll tell you later. I can't open this door, it says, "Piss off, you foreign bastards." Racist bastards. So I'm blocking him with my shield of mighty power, mighty blocking skill. My controller's on the floor. He stopped the ghost, I confused him. This is pretty good for late. See, it's nice and colourful for a specky game. Oh, he's killing his own guy there. He's killed him. Well done, lads. For that, I'll kick you in. Oh, he's coming to the skeleton now. Yeah, for a late Spectrum game. These foreigners, they knew how to make a good fucking colourful game. Music is fantastic. I've got to say, this is one of the best tunes ever in a Spectrum game. I'll get 7 out of 10. It's a pretty good game. I don't know what's going on, really. You kick him in the head, it's a bit daft. Yeah, it's not bad. So if you want to have a go, if you want to join Boris Johnson on his many Spectrum adventures in the castles, this is a game for you. For now, can't open the place. I'm just trapped in here. So 7 out of 10. That's your lot. Woohoo! Woohoo! Kick you in the fucking teeth, you bastard! Oh, look at that music. Get going. Come on. Oh, it's finished. 7 out of 10.